After processing the spectra, we can now look at data preparation, all of which functions perform on the binned spectra, and that is spectra in rows with bins in columns. Making a factor template is critical if you wish to use any of the statistical packages within tameNMR. Here you need to select a binned spectra dataset and execute. And once this factor template is produced, this needs to be saved or downloaded in order to format according to the groupings you wish to analyse. I will cover this in more detail when we look at statistics. For transforming your data, this may be useful if you have problems with non-normal distribution in your data. Scaling of data is recommended for any dataset where multivariate analysis is performed to compensate for the variance within your spectra for different metabolites. The methods available here are autoscaling, Pareto scaling, range, or mean centered, and this can be performed on any binned spectra. tameNMR is funded by the BBSRC grant to the University of Liverpool in collaboration with the NMR Metabolomics Facility and the Computational Biology Facility. You can reach us via Twitter, or you can access more information via the tutorial series here.